and welcome everyone. Now, you might have noticed that some of the videos have been renamed as "Do not watch this video, currently invalid method" on my YouTube channel. That is why I'm making this video to explain to you why. In this video, I will introduce you to a new method by VTU and discuss the discontinued methods. Let's start learning, folks. I'm Sandesh Banakar. I'm a VTU alumni, ex-Infido, mechanical engineer, and a YouTuber. Before anything else, there's a warning I should give to all my viewers. So, do not use the older methods for which I had uploaded videos in this YouTube channel. That was dizzy. Let's read that again. Do not use the older methods for which I had uploaded videos in this YouTube channel. So, now what? What is this new method that I'm talking all about? It's been late though, but not too late to know. Many of you contacted me and got your documents using this method. So let's understand this. Why was it introduced? Why were the older methods discontinued? Which are the methods disabled by VTU? Before knowing about the new method, let's discuss the reasons that VTU may have had before discontinuing the existing methods. There are some reasons, I guess, VTU might have observed before stopping these methods. Let us know those reasons too. I've collected some points which you all shared with me over comments, WhatsApp, Instagram, email, or even phone calls. I don't know how you found my number. Let's begin. So first one, older methods had a tedious manual process. I hope you might have seen that for one document I had to make 4 videos. Now it's only one video for one application with the new method. You had to use softwares like Adobe Reader and websites like ilovepdf.com were heavily used while applying for any VTU document with the older methods. As you all had complained, there was no application tracking mechanism. You should only hope on God to get the document safe and on time. So I have seen so many mistakes or errors that were easily flowing through the process, making it difficult to know if the method is correct. We had no idea if VTU had accepted the application or not after sending an email or post. A universal truth is the lack of technical support or common support from VTU to its students. And after all this, it might have taken days for just one document. After this, you may be curious about the methods that were discontinued by VTU. Let us now see which methods are discontinued. Read through the pie chart in a clockwise direction. I'll go with the methods one by one. The first, as you have seen in my videos, is the email method. This right now is completely stopped. The email ID provided in my older videos has been deactivated too. The second method, which is partially discontinued, is the by post method. Now I'll tell you why I said partially with the screen recording in a few minutes, because there are documents for which you have to use the postal method. Finally, another method that is completely stopped is the eDDTS method. You will see the videos related to this on my YouTube channel have been renamed too as do not watch or do not follow. If you're planning to apply, don't follow that method. Now, time to see the documents that are discontinued under the email and eDDTS method. We are in the Chrome browser. You can use any browser of your choice. Just type in the official website address of VTU, that is vtu.ac.in. Remember that this opens with mobile data only. Change the language preference to English if you need here using this option. Now, you can visit the eDDTS website from this option, or you can click on the examination tab and documents issued. You can try both to enter the eDDTS website, but we will use the documents issued option to know the discontinued methods. These are the documents that are currently stopped under the email method. The line here says that the applications for these documents by email are not accepted. And I'll come back with the eDDTS concept, but as of now, let's discuss the discontinued method. These are the 8 documents for which you have to follow the new method and then apply for. The email method for these 8 documents, which was there all these years, is now discontinued. Now, I told you that 14 documents, except for 14 documents, the postal methods is completely discontinued. Well, these are the 14 documents. The list is pretty long. The postal address is also given here to make it easy for you to send it by post. You may note it down or take a screenshot. All the links are given in the description below. Please check them. Now the postal method is a bit easy. You can visit a post office and send it directly to VTU. They will help you with the next steps. You may see that video on my channel soon. Anyway, these are the documents that are under poster method. You can note them or read on your own, but there's a document here highlighted for you which is consolidated marks card. This should not be mistaken for extract of marks card. Both are completely different, please understand. And this consolidated marks card is for non-CBCS, while extract of marks card is for CBCS. This website link is given in the description below. Please check that. Please read the instructions carefully. You cannot apply for these methods that are under postal methods using email method. Be careful. That's it. Now, let's get into learning more. And finally, the big concept we are about to learn is the eDDTS. You have the abbreviation here. I don't want to read it again, but for some, it's an electronic document delivery and tracking system. It's just a simple and easy method by VTU to help you all out and eliminate the tedious manual process which are prone to errors. Now, these are the documents you can apply for using the new eDDTS method. This opens with BSNL broadband and mobile data, but not with other local broadband providers. Trust me, I tried. Please pay attention. The email method is completely stopped, and under this eDDTS option, every bullet point is a hyperlink that takes you to the website. You can click on any of them to get your job done. There are 8 documents, so you are advised to choose your documents wisely and then apply. So let's get back to know more. We now have a basic understanding of what eDDTS may be, but to understand more about it, we need to see the advantages that come along with this method, right? As always, the first one is the ease of use. You can apply for any document without using any external help. No software needed for filling methods. No email procedure or tedious manual scanning. We were using much software for one document, but now we're down to one single window of operation. So all options are under the single window, divided into several tabs in the same window. We use one tab to complete process of application for any document asterisk. So what is this asterisk is that for any document that refers to the documents which are available under eDDTS. I hope you saw that just before this, right? Finally, the trustworthiness. Yes, document tracking option is provided in the new method. You can check the payment history whenever you want with regard to the application you filled, and delete the application at any time if you don't need that application, right? So these are the advantages. Now, moving on to another big advantage of eDDTS is that you can apply for these documents from any part of the world. But there are restrictions on some countries like Mauritius or Uganda. You may have to use a VPN server to connect to the Indian server and then try, else contact someone you know in India. Moving on, let us see the overall comparison between the older methods and the newly introduced method eDDTS. Consider the first graph. You will see a graphical comparison. Before observing the graph, observe these legends which relate to the bar graph. The eDGS in the color, email method color, and the eDDTS color I've used for the bar graph representation. So now let us take time in days for the delivery of the document you applied for. Here's the comparison. eDGS used to take at most 2 days to deliver your documents to your email as a soft copy. Remember, it was not giving you a hard copy. The email method did a pretty good job for quite some years, but still, it wasn't that efficient. It took about 40 days to give you your hard copy. Now we have the eDDTS that can get your documents delivered in under 20 days, either as a soft copy or a hard copy to your desired location. Let us now move on to the next comparison, the ease of use. Yes, we all want the easy UI/UX for any method. Consider the x-axis to be ease of use and y-axis to be ease of measurement, with 0 being the easiest and 40 being the toughest. 0 being the easiest, 40 being the toughest. Seeing that, eDGS did a pretty good job in being the easiest method which you had ever introduced, right? And this followed by the eDDTS method. It is also easier to use, but not so easy. And the toughest being the email method. We all know how tedious and time consuming this method was. Hopefully, it is discontinued. There are other comparisons, but it is not relevant to add here. This is the procedure up until VTU introduces a new one. So these are the 3 major steps you have to remember. You got to visit the eDDTS website under the VTU website using your mobile data. You will find videos on this topic. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel to see those videos soon after they're released. You have to make sure that you're applying for the right documents before applying for it. Save money, my friend. After all, apply with care. Now, that's it for the video. I guess we can talk in another video. If you haven't subscribed, please do and share this video with those in need. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.